many brand owners are now switching from the traditional UGC ads to AI UGC ads. AI UGC ads actually work better for brands because they'll feel real and connect people to the brand. And these ads are made in minutes and are ready to post instantly, boosting the brand sales. So in this video, I am actually going to be showing you step by step how to create this viral AI UGC content using TopView AI. So you don't need to pay a UGC creator hundreds of dollars for a video, and you can actually do this yourself because you don't need any editing skills too. So if you want to market your products smartly with less cost, this is how you can actually do it. So I'm actually going to be linking TopView in the description. So when you actually sign up for a free account, you're actually going to see something like this on the dashboard. So now on the dashboard, you will see the viral video agent here. So this is powered by Sora 2, meaning that you're actually going to be getting the most realistic videos with this viral video agent. So just go ahead to click on the viral video agent. Then here you want to add your image or link. Then you need to add a reference video from your file. So to find this viral video ideas, all you just need to do is to go to TikTok Creative Center, or right here in TopView, under the ad library, you will get thousands of video ideas. You can search by title or product name, region, industry, and when you click on any of these ads, you get to see their performance by video views. This one has 1.95 million views already, and the video revenue is more than $12,000. So back to the video agent, you can actually add your product image, but if you are a digital marketer or an affiliate marketer on Amazon or ClickBank, then what you want to do is you can go to Amazon official website and copy the URL, the links of the product there. But you actually have to make sure that you are part of their affiliate program to earn a percentage from every product you sell. So I want to sell this Canon camera from Amazon, so I did copy the link and paste here. So I just need to use one of this image. So I'm just going to be picking one, then unselect the remaining one. Then I am actually going to add my reference video. Okay, I got this video from TikTok, and TopView viral video agent auto-generated the prompt for my video. So I'm just going to go with that, and I will submit it. So on the left hand side, you can now see TopView is analyzing all the video, the image, and the prompt. And sometimes it actually generates a questionnaire to collect more information from you, like the product name, the product selling points, and who the product's users are, the target countries like the US, the video script language, English or Chinese, whatever language you want to use, and the aspect ratio, which is either 16:9 or 9:16. So just go ahead and answer all of the questions, then confirm it. Once you click on the confirm, it's actually going to generate a plan, that is a guide for your video and a video storyboard. Okay, so just go through the those two, and that is the guide, the video guide, and the storyboard, and confirm if you're actually okay with the results. And the agent will start the next step of generating your video for you. So this actually takes few minutes to generate. Now our video is ready to view, and here we have this UGC creator unboxing and holding this Canon camera and talking about the features, which is pretty insane. This actually looks like a real unboxing video, and it looks so realistic, and it's actually possible because of the Sora 2, which is a brand new OpenAI feature now integrated in TopView. So guys, I actually love this particular video so much.
It captures moments that words can't fully express. Its advanced autofocus locks onto subjects with precision, making even fast-moving scenes feel effortless to shoot. The crisp image quality and vibrant color science turn ordinary settings into cinematic frames.
Like I was
Whether you're
extremely
filming in
mind
4K
blown by
or
this
snapping
one
high-resolution
because
photos,
of the
Canon
perfect lips snitch, and like anyone who actually watched this video would believe that it's a real human reviewing this product, but it's actually AI generated. So you want to stick to the end to know how to get this exact result that you just saw. Now let's quickly create a fashion UGC creator for a clothing brand. So to do this, I'm actually going to be uploading this image, this clothes image. Then I'm actually going to use this video from Top View Ad Library as my reference video this time. All right, so let's wait for the agents to complete, the steps, to see the results. All right. Oh, okay. Wow, this is actually insane. And here is the AI fashion UGC creator. This is really impressive. Okay, so I'm actually impressed with the fact that it's made no changes to the clothing in the original picture. So if you actually take a good look at this picture, you will see that that's the exact clothes, the exact bag, the exact trouser that the lady is making use of in the video. And I love the fact that she can actually turn to the back, and you can actually see the clothing at the back looking so original. So that is really, really impressive. With this, you can actually get to market your products without any fear. So now if you want to try out different version or clothing, you just go ahead to upload the image from here. Then you select the options available, and from these options here, and Top View would actually make the changes for you. I love this new version. The movement and expression is actually realistic. It's very, very authentic. That seems to be and it looks really real. And for this particular one, I did not make use of any reference. I went to Amazon and I copied this product link. Then I returned back to Top View and used the link here. And the AI automatically generated this cute video for kids for me. So you can actually see that the hugging of the doll and the pure excitement on the little girl's face is amazing, and the hug was so real. And you can also market your food online just by uploading the image of the different dishes. Then you go ahead to select your location, add your prompt, and then wait for the AI to do the magic for you.
Nigerian food for the very first time, and I'm so excited. First up, we have this famous jollof rice with chicken. Oh my god, the flavor is absolutely incredible. Next up is...
It did not exactly get the first bite of the jollof rice, but she did eat that moi moi. So as promised, this was how I generated this particular video. So the first thing is you want to go and select a video template with any character. Then next, you want to upload your product image. Then position the product well and hit on generate. Okay, this actually take a few minutes, so we just have to wait. All right, so this would bring out two image style. So you just have to make use of the one that is best for you. So just select from the two, the one that is best for you, then hit create avatar. Then the next thing you want to do is to select the voice. If it is American, Chinese, whatever voice you want to make use of, you just go ahead to select it. Then you want to add your script. For this script, I actually used ChatGPT to write the script. Then the next thing you want to do is to hit generate. Okay, so this actually shows it will take 30 minutes to generate a video for our video to be ready, but I promise you it wasn't up to 30 minutes. Okay, so here's the final results of our video.
Click.
So this is actually the final results, and this is so accurate. The voice and everything matches how a real UGC creator would do it. So I actually love this AI tool because it's very realistic, and all thanks to the Sora tool that has been integrated into Top View AI. If you actually want to know how you can convert the image of anyone into any video character or movie character, then you want to subscribe to the channel for future videos that will be coming up on that. And you also want to like this video and let me know your honest thought in the comment section, as it helps me to grow, it helps this channel to grow. So please be honest, and your feedback is very important to me. So thank you so much. And if you want to try out Top View AI for free, then you want to check out the video description, because I'm going to be linking the Top View AI in the description of this video. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for sticking to the end. If you actually did, thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.